There are several laws of negotiation gravity. One of those is that the last impression is the lasting impression. You heard me say that before. The last audit you give should be the one that is the lasting one that you want them to remember. Last impression that you leave with someone is going to be the lasting impression. Also, people remember experiences based on the most intense moment that happened, and they remember how it ended. A lot of the other stuff in the middle gets lost. Okay. And another one that I want to share with you, as far as labels go, um, the desire to correct is irresistible. So if you label someone and you label them um, wrong, say they're angry and they're not angry, they're going to correct you. And when they correct you, they're going to correct you with the truth, because they don't normally correct with a lie, which means you're going to get an honest, candid response from the person, which means good information. So even if you mislabel someone, they will correct you, because people like to point out that you're wrong. It makes people feel good to point out that other people are wrong. So if you're wrong, they're just going to correct you. It's not a big deal. Okay.